This tutorial video is designed only for the straight tube and double linear RG Blackheat radiant tube heaters. The first step to wiring the cables for the Blackheat tube heaters is to start by unscrewing the back of the plugs. You must also remove the holding bracket off the plug to ensure that the cable can be threaded through. Once everything is removed, you can then insert the protective sleeve over the cable before fixing it into the back of the plug to start screwing in the wires into the adapters. You can then refix the holding bracket to hold the cables into place. Once everything is held into position, you can then reattach the back of the plug and re-screw it back in for then to be used in the back of the heating units. The plugs are now able to be used, but we do recommend that a licensed electrician be used for the installation of these products. You will then insert the fan on the back of the unit, tightening with the screw, before then being able to plug the grey cable into the left-hand side of the power in, and then be able to connect the power to the fan before reconnecting the fan to the power.